Hello and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking to you about how to make money with crypto. How to make money with cryptocurrency. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to make money with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has become a popular investment option in recent years. And if you are interested in investing in this market, this video is surely for you. Number one way to make money from crypto is to educate yourself. The first step in making money with crypto is to educate yourself. This means learning about the different cryptocurrencies that are in existence or that are available in the market, and also know about their market value and how to buy and sell them. You should also learn about the risks involved in investing in this market and how to mitigate those risks. Number two is that you should choose a cryptocurrency. The second step in making money with crypto is to choose a cryptocurrency to invest in. Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency that is available, but is the most well-known, is the most popular, and is the most famous cryptocurrency. But there are many other available such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. You should research the different cryptocurrencies and choose one that aligns with your interests and your investment goals. Number three is that you should buy and hold. The third step in making money with crypto is to buy and hold your chosen cryptocurrency. This means purchasing it and then holding onto it for a long period of time, typically months or years. The value of cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so it's important to have a long-term investment strategy. Number four is to trade crypto. So the first step in making money with crypto is to trade your chosen cryptocurrency. This means buying and selling it based on market trends and fluctuations. This can be a risky strategy, but it can also lead to significant profits if done correctly. Number five is to mine. The fifth and final step in making money with crypto is to mine your chosen cryptocurrency. This involves using your computer to solve complex mathematical equations in order to verify transactions and earn cryptocurrency as a reward. This can be a time-consuming process, but it can also be profitable if you have the right equipment. In conclusion, there you have it. How to make money with cryptocurrency. Remember that investing in cryptocurrency comes with risks, and it's important to do your research and approach this market with caution. But if you are willing to put in the time and effort, you can potentially earn significant profits in this growing industry. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.